The Starlight MK24QG170S2 by Machenike stands out as a formidable gaming monitor, offering a compelling combination of cutting-edge features and high-quality visuals. At the heart of its appeal is the 24-inch Fast IPS panel, which not only delivers vibrant and accurate colors, but also boasts a 2560 by 1440 resolution, ensuring sharp and detailed visuals that bring games and multimedia content to life. What truly distinguishes this monitor is its exceptional 170Hz refresh rate. This feature takes gaming to the next level by providing incredibly smooth motion, especially in fast-paced scenes where rapid reactions are crucial. Complementing the high refresh rate is the impressive 1 millisecond MPRT response time, effectively minimizing motion blur and stutter, thereby enhancing the overall gaming experience and ensuring that every detail is captured with precision. The Starlight monitor's commitment to visual excellence is further underscored by its 91.9% DCI-P3 color gamut. This wide color range allows for accurate reproduction of a diverse spectrum of colors, contributing to a more immersive and realistic visual experience. With a static contrast ratio of 1000:1, the monitor also excels in providing improved brightness and depth in visual content, contributing to a more engaging viewing experience. Moreover, the 178 degrees wide viewing angle ensures consistent color and clarity from various vantage points, making it suitable for multiplayer gaming or collaborative work environments. The built-in adjustable stand adds a layer of convenience and customization, offering a 130mm elevation and 25 degrees tilt adjustments to cater to individual ergonomic preferences and varying viewing angles. The Starlight monitor does not compromise on connectivity options, featuring two HDMI 2.0 ports supporting up to 144Hz, one DP 1.4 port supporting up to 170Hz, and an audio output interface. This versatility allows users to seamlessly connect their devices and peripherals. Machenike has incorporated several advanced technologies into this model, including HDR10 support for enhanced visual depth and texture, AdaptiveSync for tear-free gaming, OverDrive to prevent ghosting, and color gamut switching to adapt to different content types. The inclusion of these features reflects Machenike's commitment to staying at the forefront of gaming monitor technology. Machenike has once again pushed the boundaries of gaming monitor technology with its latest release, the Starlight. This 24-inch display is set to make waves in the market, offering a compelling combination of features at a remarkably attractive price point of 999 yuan or $138. To instill confidence in the product's durability and performance, Machenike provides a 2-year quality assurance warranty, underscoring its commitment to customer satisfaction and product reliability. In essence, the Starlight stands as a testament to Machenike's dedication to delivering a top-tier gaming monitor that combines style, functionality, and performance. Why did you like this monitor? Write your thoughts in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.